Question 1. Which placard is used for flammable liquids? A. Class 1. B. Class 3. C. Class 8. Answer: B. Class 3. Flammable liquids are categorized under Class 3 hazardous materials. Question 2. If a shipping paper describes both hazardous and non-hazardous products, how should the hazardous materials be listed? A. At the bottom. B. In a color different from the non-hazardous products. C. Highlighted in a contrasting color or clearly identified by an X. Answer: C. Highlighted in a contrasting color or clearly identified by an X. This helps in easy identification of hazardous materials. Question 3. Which of the following is not a hazard class label? A. Explosive. B. Flammable gas. C. Mild risk. Answer: C. Mild risk. There is no hazard class labeled as mild risk. Question 4. True or false? A driver transporting hazardous materials must always have a hazmat endorsement. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. A driver transporting hazardous materials must have the appropriate hazmat endorsement. Question 5. What is the primary reason for regulations regarding the transport of hazardous materials? A. To protect the driver. B. To protect the environment and public. C. To increase state revenue. Answer: B. To protect the environment and public. The main goal is to ensure public safety. Question 6. Which of the following is not a type of hazard class? A. Gases. B. Flammable solids. C. Soft materials. Answer: C. Soft materials. This is not a recognized hazard class. Question 7. What should a driver do if they discover a package leaking hazardous materials? A. Continue driving to the destination. B. Stop and identify the materials leaking. C. Cover the leak with a cloth. Answer: B. Stop and identify the materials leaking. It's crucial to understand the risk and take appropriate measures. Question 8. True or false? All hazmat shipments require placards. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Some smaller quantity shipments might not require placarding. Question 9. Which of the following is a proper shipping name for hazardous materials? A. Paint. B. Cleaning solution. C. Hydrochloric acid. Answer: C. Hydrochloric acid. Proper shipping names are specific. Question 10. What is the main purpose of a shipping paper? A. To provide emergency response information. B. To act as a receipt for the shipper. C. To provide the driver with directions. Answer: A. To provide emergency response information. It aids in identifying the hazardous materials being transported. Question 11. Which class of hazardous materials is most associated with health hazards? A. Class 2. B. Class 6. C. Class 9. Answer: B. Class 6. This class includes toxic and infectious substances. Question 12. True or false? A driver can smoke within 25 feet of a placarded tanker. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. Smoking near hazardous materials is dangerous. Question 13. If a driver is involved in an accident while transporting hazardous materials, what should they do first? A. Clean the spill. B. Protect themselves from harm. C. Call their employer. Answer: B. Protect themselves from harm. Safety first. Question 14. Which of the following is not a type of bulk packaging? A. Cargo tank. B. Drum. C. Box. Answer: C. Box. Bulk packaging includes larger containers like cargo tanks and drums. Question 15. True or false? A driver can transport hazardous materials without a shipping paper if the journey is within the company's property. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Within company property, the usual regulations might not apply. Question 16. Which hazard class is associated with radioactive materials? A. Class 1. B. Class 7. C. Class 9. Answer: B. Class 7. Radioactive materials fall under this class. Question 17. What is the minimum distance from a burning vehicle carrying explosives you should park? A. 100 feet. B. 300 feet. C. 500 feet. Answer: C. 500 feet. It's crucial to maintain a safe distance from potential explosions. Question 18. True or false? A driver can leave their vehicle unattended in a safe haven while transporting explosives. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. A safe haven is a designated area where explosive transports can be left unattended. Question 19. Which of the following is not a reason a package might be refused for transport? A. The package is damaged. B. The package is making a hissing sound. C. The package is a different color than expected. Answer: C. The package is a different color than expected. Color is not a primary concern. Safety is. Question 20. True or false? A driver must have a written route plan when transporting Class A or B explosives. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. A written route plan is mandatory for such transports. Question 21. Which of the following is not a type of hazard communication method? A. Placards. B. Horns. C. Labels. Answer: B. Horns. While horns are a communication method, they are not used for hazardous materials identification. Question 22. What is the primary purpose of the Emergency Response Guidebook, ERG? A. To provide drivers with a map. B. To provide guidance during hazardous material incidents. C. To act as a reference for shipping papers. Answer: B. To provide guidance during hazardous material incidents. The ERG is crucial for emergency situations. Question 23. True or false? A driver can determine the hazard class of a material by its placard or orange panel number. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. The placard or orange panel number provides information about the hazard class. Question 24. Which of the following is a requirement for a transport vehicle carrying hazardous materials? A. A radio system. B. A fire extinguisher. C. A first aid kit. Answer: B. A fire extinguisher. It's essential for safety. Question 25. True or false? A driver transporting hazardous materials must stop 15 to 50 feet before a railroad crossing. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. This is a safety precaution to ensure no collisions with trains. Question 26. Which of the following is not a type of hazard associated with hazardous materials? A. Flammability. B. Radioactivity. C. Color. Answer: C. Color. While color might indicate a type of material, it's not a hazard in itself. Question 27. True or false? A driver is allowed to park a vehicle carrying hazardous materials next to an open flame. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. This is a dangerous situation and is not allowed. Question 28. Which of the following is the best action to take if a driver discovers their vehicle is leaking hazardous materials? A. Continue to the destination. B. Stop and identify the leak. C. Call the police. Answer: B. Stop and identify the leak. It's important to understand the situation before taking further action. Question 29. True or false? A driver must know the emergency response information for the hazardous materials they are transporting. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. This knowledge is crucial for safety. Question 30. Which of the following is a requirement for all shipments of hazardous materials? A. A GPS system. B. Shipping papers. C. A company logo. Answer. B. Shipping papers. They provide essential information about the materials being transported.